Hi, I'm John McMahon, and I'm the Senior Vice President of Marketing at Meyer Sound. Welcome to InfoComm 2019 here in Orlando, Florida. InfoComm's a really important show for Meyer Sound. We get to meet a lot of consultants, integrators. Our dealer network comes to the show, plus international presence is quite large. And especially in Orlando, we get a lot of our Latin American friends and dealers who come up from all the way down to, we've seen faces from Brazil here today. So this is a really multinational show, and it's our biggest show presence that we have. So on our booth, we've put a big focus on showing all the different rigging options for the Ultra X40. So this interactive display has every rigging option possible for the Ultra X40, flown, stacked, pole mounted, and it's all hands-on. You can get a complete view of how all the rigging works and look at all the different applications. We've got an interactive kiosk with all the different applications for different markets in that interactive display. Moving around the booth, we have a lot of other components. So we have our UPQ-D series, we have the MPS 482, an intelligent DC wall, we have our USW210P, as well as our UP4 Slim system. And then we also have a tech bar. We're talking about M-Noise, our new test signal for measuring maximum linear peak SPL. And we have a preview of our upcoming Map 3D software. We do have a small Leo family display on the booth with a large video wall showing off all the different applications of these Leo family products. And we have our Lena Cutaway, which is always a very popular inside peek into the guts of our loudspeakers. In our demo room, we have two different areas. One of them is our very popular Sonic Lounge, so come by and visit us in the lounge. We're going to show our hospitality. It's a nice reprieve from the busy trade show floor. And the very exciting display that we have in our demo space itself is we're showing the Ultra X40s combined with the 750 LFCs. We have a preview of our Spacemap Live technology. We're showing off our UPQ-D series as well as the USW210Ps. We have Lenas. We have a fantastic listening experience. This is a really engaging demo, fully immersive, full spatial sound, and Ultra X40 in spades. So please come by and enjoy it.